Hey guys, welcome back to Rush Truck Trophy Truck Build Part 10. Now we're onto the rear of the car now, and these bars are pretty cool. So again, we've cleaned them up, we know what numbers they are, and they can only fit one way. In there. So I've just tacked that in place just to hold it. So before you put these bars in, you'll weld these ones up and you'll weld this one here up fully. So when you place a bar in, you always weld the inside. So every tube on this chassis is welded before the next one goes in. So I've got that one. Now this one here, the back bar, you make this on the floor. So to make it on the floor, I'm lucky that we've got the checkers here. But an easy way is to keep it all square. You find centre of the tube, which is here. You run a centre line so you get nice and square. Then you take the measurement, hold that. Take the measurement from there to there, and the number is X. So then you come onto your centre line here. You come up half of X. Out to the outside tube, and that's where it is. And then half X is on the other side. When you bring them in, 245s make a 90, or actually it's wider than a 90, sorry. But that's what makes the angle, because it's tapered in at the back there. And then you get it spot on. And so it is easier with two of you, but you can do it with one. And look at that. Now, this is where you need your little spirit level. I'll just line this one up, Dan. That's it. Line him up nice and straight. Lift him up, and then we'll run that bar, the hip rail is 0. So you put your level on here. 0. Tack him into place there, and tack him into place there, and then you just sort of manoeuvre it up and down, just so you make sure that's 0 there. So that's part 10. Thanks for watching. Again, you can get on our website, Off-Road Rush, www.rushtruck.com.au, and you can check out all the videos. We've got all the links on there on how to build your own truck. So we'll see you on episode part 11. Thanks for watching.